What's up guys, Alec here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to run MassLooking even after the your account has been compromised update. Now, when everyone was running mass store reviewing back on Monday the 14th, everyone received a notification that was running these kind of softwares saying that their account has been compromised. And this is pretty much everyone, including myself. And now this was a big problem for everyone that was using mass store reviewing to grow, and then it was problems for platforms such as MassLooking.com that were providing this service, because that just meant that all of a sudden their service wasn't working anymore and Instagram had patched the mass store reviewing technique. So when this first happened, I tried quite a few different services and I had no luck. The one I used before was MassLooking.com, and I tried using it again and it would always stop at around 15,000 to 20,000 store reviews, and then I would get the "your account has been compromised" message. So if we take a look at this screenshot, you can see that on Sunday and Monday was when I tried doing it again and again. And as you can see, the results weren't good because, again, like I said, after about 20,000 views, it would stop. Then MassLooking.com said they had this insane update where it automatically changed your password for you and bypassed this notification that your account would get. Now, yes, this was a fix, but changing your password every half an hour is a major red flag for Instagram. Because again, these services or bots and everything, it's all against Instagram's community terms and guidelines. So if an account gets banned, there's nothing you can do about it. You are botting your account. I just want to make that clear with everyone. Like, even if you sign up with a service that says it's completely safe or anything and your account gets banned, there's nothing that you can do. There's nothing that they can do. It's not their fault. It's kind of yours. But from this screenshot, as you can see, Sunday, Monday, it went terrible. When they had this update, I thought I'd try it out on one of my accounts. So I paid for a subscription with MassLooking.com and I signed it up. And my password didn't change and the update wasn't working. And I only got about, I think I got up to like 40,000 store reviews with that MassLooking service. So I tried that and no results. Again, that update failed. So I was talking to the guy on the DMs. I have VK and I talked to him there because he's a Russian dude. There's a few of them there, but he's the main guy I contact. And he was saying, yeah, they're still working on an update. After I messaged the guy a few days later, on Thursday, they said they had a new major update which doesn't need you to change your password. It doesn't change your password automatically for you. And it's not detected by Instagram. And as you can see from this screenshot, the results are back up to 5,000 profile visits, which are insane results again for mass store reviewing. So this is a fix. I don't know how long it's going to last, but MassLooking.com seems to be working right now. I don't know of any other services that are actually currently working. I've messaged a few people, no one's had any luck, but I've stayed in contact with the guys from MassLooking.com and this seems to be the only one that's currently working. Now, if you do want to sign up to it, as you can see, I've gotten results. I'm going to put a link in the description. If you sign up through my link in the description, it is an affiliate link, so it helps support this channel, so I do really appreciate it if you do that. But before you sign up, I do want to mention that, again, like I've mentioned before, we don't know how long mass store reviewing and mass looking is going to be around. We don't know how long it's going to be safe. We don't know, Instagram could cut it off tomorrow, but for now we can see that it works. As you can see, I've recently hit 14k with this page, and from these 5,000 profile visits I got 136 overall extra followers in one day thanks to MassLooking.com. So that is pretty much my update on the whole situation. I no longer provide a service. MassLooking.com would be my go-to one at the moment. This is the service that I'm going to be referring all my clients to that I suggest. And like I said, affiliate link in the description. I really appreciate it if you sign up through there. And again, guys, any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. And as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace out.